In this video, I will be showing you how to get free VPN for a laptop and what are the best free VPNs for your PC and what are the advantages of having or downloading free VPNs to paid VPNs. Okay, so free VPN services seem enticing, especially to those just beginning their journey toward internet anonymity. With a free VPN, all you need to get started is an email address and no credit card information, in contrast to the finest VPNs, which are paid services. But it's important to think about what VPNs do in reality. ExpressVPN is a paid VPN. It's free to download, but you have to upgrade your plan into one of this in order for you to use that. So the first VPN here is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN values your privacy. Okay, so the focus is privacy focused company. ExpressVPN makes the following payments to guarantee each user's connection is quick, private, and secure. You can go to ExpressVPN site to see what they offer, okay, support, possible device combinations like what I'm showing you right now, about subscription, okay? So everything is here. This VPN has excellent feedback. Another thing or another VPN here is NordVPN. You can download this VPN for free. You just have to go to web browser and type VPN, then you can get NordVPN. You can download this one and you can go to their site to see the advantages, the pricing, features, services, and anything about NordVPN. So get 68% off NordVPN plus 3 extra months. That is for free if you avail this plan here. This one is the most popular. Okay, so what is the advantage of NordVPN? So we have here secure high-speed VPN, malware protection, tracker, and ad blocker. Okay, we have also here cross-platform password manager, and so on. So why you should use NordVPN? Protect your privacy. Okay, stay safe online, access content abroad. Okay, I don't know how many countries you can have access to this or you can get access when you use VPN, but you can go to their site to see the advantages of choosing this one. Okay, so Trustpilot, download the fastest VPN. Now, actually, yes, you can download for free. You just have to run this as administrator and then wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Okay, and then here it is. Now you just have to click next. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. You just have to create an account. Okay, so you can simply create an account by just typing your email address and here it is. You have to pay for this VPN, okay? Then once you have this access, I think there will be lots of wonderful features and free features once you install the NordVPN, but you have to pay for this. Okay, you can download it for free, but you have to pay in order for you to get access to this VPN. So first, ExpressVPN is a great VPN, but you have to pay for that. Also, same with this NordVPN here. Okay, so you can go to their site again to see the wonderful features, the advantages, and the reason why you should pick a paid VPN services rather than free VPNs. So let's go to the next one, which is my main tutorial, and that is the free VPN, which is what we call Proton. So I downloaded this VPN and I didn't pay anything. Okay, so all I did was to go to their site or go to Google Chrome and then type Proton VPN and then download and then run it as administrator. And here it is. I can connect to these three countries for free: Japan, Netherlands, and United States. So this VPN is really the best for me because so far I haven't encountered any problems while connecting to any of this country here. It's such a big help for me. And talking about privacy, they will notify you if there's something wrong with the site. Okay. But talking about free, Japan, Netherlands, United States are indeed a wonderful country. And whenever I try to connect to my Netflix and whenever I can't see or watch this movie because this movie is only for this country, then I can connect to that country and then I can watch that. So that's the best advantage for this. Also, when playing games and it's not applicable or it's not yet available in my country, then I have to connect to Japan, to Netherlands, and to any of this country here. Then I can play that game. So the advantage of this Proton VPN is here. So it's the same thing. You can just read this one general connection advanced and you can see the advantages of this. Okay, also we have here Surfshark. And same with Proton VPN, I can connect to some countries here, okay, for free. For example, Taiwan. And there are some countries here, all you have to do is to simply explore, okay? So not just Taiwan. And free VPNs like Proton VPN and Surfshark indeed gave me a wonderful experience because like what I've said earlier, there are some sites that my country is restricted. Then because of this VPNs, I can connect to that site, I can play that game, I can watch that movie, and that is because of the advantages of this free VPN. So I do really hope that this video helped you. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.